So this is a motor that came in from another shop that had a prop shaft put in it, and it was taken completely apart to have the prop shaft put in. So it says it's in forward right now. It ratchets and locks. Try to get it in reverse. It doesn't want to go into reverse. Still in forward, but right now it's in neutral. So neutral is off right there. Okay, now the gear shifter says it's in neutral, but the lower is locked both ways, but it says it's in neutral. So against my better judgment, we're going to try to figure out what's going on, since it was taken apart by a different shop and they've just thrown their hands up and said we don't know what to do next except buy another lower unit. He's had the control box apart. He's pretty well had everything apart. So we're going to try to see if we can figure out what's going on with it, where it works again.